For 72 months, or $5 cash back on most Sierras.
Because he gets most of his water from plants and stores it in his bladder. Snags vegetation and flowers. A sign of death. Light slithers through the desert's cracks.